thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor in New York. Today I have a machine. This is a Brother CS-6000i. I get a lot of these machines, something easy. Most of them comes in, running backwards. This one actually, what happened is this is the pin that connects into the back of the machine. This machine, for some reason, Brother decided to add a jack of the machine in the back of it. Good? I don't know. I don't think it's good because the jack that this pin connects it to is on the back of the machine. So meaning that it's in the back of all of the electronic parts for it too. So if you need to fix it or you need to replace the jack, you have to go and dismantle the whole machine apart to be able to do this. Is that good? No, it's not, because some customers could probably be able to do it if they could have been able to take it apart. But the way it is made, I think I'm going to show you once I take the machine apart, and I will show you what I think, where it should be being set. That would have been make it a lot more easy. Okay, let me jump into it. I will show you later. For the machine that came in, look at this. I'm going to check into it. Look at this. So that means that this customer is really working on this machine. You see, look at that. That's a lot of work. This machine sometimes, customer really work on them. They give it a lot of punches. Now, this machine, the problem we having with this one, actually, I will have to take everything apart. And the reason why the jack is on the back right here, the jack for the connector of the foot control, it fell out. So now, if it would have been put over here, which was smart, it would have been a smart idea to put it over here. That way you don't have to. But now everything has to be stripped out just for that part in the back. And they know, Brother probably knows that this is a problem that happens. This is not the first one I've seen. But, then it's going to be a big job because everything has to come off just to actually fix the jack on the back here. Well, it's not a great idea. Not a great idea at all. More headaches, more problem. If they would have just put it over here or maybe here, that's it. But now, look, everything has to come off to be able to work on the back of that machine. Crazy. See, I started taking these parts. Everything has to come off to be able to reach the back of these, because the actually plug connector is in the back of the foot pedal. So it's crazy, the way they set up this up. But let me go inside, continue working on it, and we'll be done soon. I have the foot pedal. It's connected in the back of the machine. All right, so it's if you have these jacks and you could get, then you could just replace it. Like I said, it's in the back here, so I had to take everything off. I put a new jack on it because it was damaged, it was broken. It's a little plastic ring that uses that, and then they break. Once they break, you have to replace it. Now I replace it. I'm gonna put back the machine together. Everything's working fine. Everything's working good. Just replace it and just put everything back together, try it, and we'll be fine. The machine, I already finished. I already did everything. I'll show you now. Now I have completed the machine. Everything is good. Everything is working. I select stitch number, the number 4, which is the zigzag. Make it speed it up a little bit. So the machine is now being completed. All the stitches are working fine. The actually jack, I'm using it. So when I press and you see everything working fine. So, the machine is now completely finished. Another happy customer. Brother CS-6000i is now completely finished. Unfortunately, like I said, I was trying to say before, is the problem that we have is that the jack of it, it's on the back of all the electronic parts. As you could see when I did the video, it's a little bit of a problem to change it, because if you could damage a wire, you could damage anything on there, that little small circuit board could get damaged, and that's a problem. Thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor in New York.